and welcome to the New Zealand International Convention Centre. There was a fairly complex technical brief associated with the build originally, and so we reached out to our partners, JPRO.
From day one, NZICC were very clear about their ambition. This needed to be a world-class, multi-use convention centre, one that could host everything from conferences through to exhibitions and live performance. With that in mind, the audio system needed to be flexible and scalable.
One of the most important things for us as an international venue is that when you cater to such a huge international audience, we have to provide world-class audio for every single one of our attendees. You need an internationally recognized brand that can meet that brief, and that's where JBL came in. We were looking for consistency across the entire venue, and so we needed the best products and solutions.
I think what really set Harman apart was the ability to deliver a whole venue-wide solution. NZICC isn't just one space, it's hundreds of spaces, each with different audio requirements.
And when we looked at the spaces, we realised that JBL could meet all the requirements, from back of house to front of house, from all the meeting rooms to all the ceiling speakers to down in the events halls. We looked at speakers of different sizes, different ratios, but the key thing was that the JBL brand in terms of quality, the voicing of the speakers, getting a really good ideal sound across everywhere. It's really consistent, really smooth, really clear, and you get that same experience any room you're in.
JBL has adapted their product range that allows them to design an appropriate sound system for each of the spaces, rather than force a one-size-fits-all approach.
The main theatre was really particular and something close to our hearts. So what's going to be perfect? The A8 series was new and one that we really wanted to focus on. Being that the convention centre wants to leverage, those international acts, the JBL system fitted perfectly.
Plenary Theatre is the heart of NZICC, and because it's the largest theatre in New Zealand, there was no room for compromise. The JBL VTX A8 system gave the performance level we needed for both performance audio and conference. But more importantly, it gave the venue flexibility.
When it comes to the A8s and our overall audio experience in the plenary theatre in particular, being able to switch instantly between performance mode and conference mode at the touch of a button is exactly what we need.
The decision to go with the VTX A8 system in here was primarily driven by performance, value and efficiency. So the coverage is seamless from the front row to the back of the room, with incredible clarity for speech and real impact during musical performances. What stands out most is how effortlessly the system handles the scale of the space. During the design phase, we used JBL's venue synthesis modelling program to predict exactly how the system would perform in all configurations. That gave everybody confidence that what we designed on paper would translate perfectly in the real world. Working closely with Vega, we developed multiple system modes that allow the venue team to switch between these configurations quickly and easily. All of the tuning and calibration settings are stored directly in the crown amplifiers, so recalling a new setup takes seconds rather than hours. From an operational point of view, that's incredibly powerful.
The NZICC is a world-class convention venue, so audio has to be flawless. That's what we're trying to deliver.
From a customer's perspective, what they're going to really experience is they won't know. They'll just feel. They'll enjoy the environment. It'll feel calm. It'll feel really nice to be in, and they won't be able to explain why. And that is part of the JBL offering. It's part of what we do here.
So the end result has been fantastic personally. From NZICC's point of view, the customer's point of view, Vega's point of view, it's been a fantastic result, and the system is completely blowing us away.
We're incredibly pleased and proud of what we've done. In terms of what we've delivered, this project has been fantastic, working alongside the teams. What we have done together with JPRO and across the line is just fantastic. So yeah, good things take time, and this project has definitely been both those things.